Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the Queen Elizabeth II of Australia 20 cents. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel sa David Turing. Okay, let's continue. This is the 20 cents of Queen Elizabeth of Australia. What to look for in the 1966 20 cents coin. Australia first variety takes us back to the beginning of decimal currency and the highly sought after 1966 wavy line 20 cents. This key type is named because the bottom stroke of the two in the denomination appears to have a wave at the top, rather than the straight line seen on the 20 cents coins. The 20 cents coins was first introduced with decimal currency on 14 February 1966. The original reverse design of a platypus remained unchanged until 1995. This denomination has been since used for commemorative design. All 20 cents coins in the first issue in 1966 were introduced at the Royal Mint, London. The value of coins would depend on their condition. They can be worth up to $5,500 in really good condition. The 1966 Queen Elizabeth 20 cents coins is a round bronze proof coins with 17.5mm diameter plain edge featuring on the obverse a crowned head of Elizabeth II facing right. The reverse features a feather tail glider. The denomination numeral 1 is left of the head and the artist's initials SD below its body. Okay guys, this is the Queen Elizabeth II, year 1966, and this is the reverse side of the coin. You will see here the 20 cents of the coin. Now we'll talk about the year 2001. This is the 2001 20 cents coin. Now let's talk about this 21. The 20 cents coins from 2001 features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and were part of the centenary of Federation series of the reverse with different estate of territory design. There is a no single design for the 2001 20 cents, but rather 9 different designs issued by the Royal Australian Mint to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Australia's Federation in 1901. Now let's talk about the coin details. Year 2001, denomination 20 cents, designer. The reverse design were created by Australian school students as part of a national competition. Purpose to celebrate the centenary of Federation. Now let's talk about the word. This 20 cents coin was issued to celebrate 100 years since the Federation of Australia as part of a 9-coin series. It is a unique 1-year only type and was struck by the Royal Australian Mint. Now let's talk about the error. The 2001 centenary of Federation coin with error, rotation error, can be worth big money. The rotation error means that if you flip the coin and the queen heads is not upright, you found something special. So guys, if you found a error coin of Queen Elizabeth year 2001, that is a collectible and has a high value. And I will show you the other side of this coin. This is the 20 cents coin on the reverse. And anyway, guys, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Hosa TV3. Thank you.